So in today's quick tip, it's going to be a real short one for you all, but I did want to go over snoozing inside of YNAB. So what is snoozing? Well, this is a new feature that YNAB rolled out. And basically what it is that if you have a target set for a goal or what have you, and you want to snooze that target temporarily, you can do so very easily. So let's take a look. As you see here, I have YNAB open up here in my demo account. And on my YNAB here in the budget section, I have several items here in the categories. And I have targets set. Like for instance, this one here, auto insurance, $125 by the end of the month. You see this one right here, safety deposit box. I have $50 by April 1st, 2024, right? Well, what if I want to snooze this target so I don't have to put in money for this month into the into this category? What if I just want to snooze it? Well, all you have to do is go over here to the target section here and click on snooze target for this month. Okay, when you do that, over here in the available funds, you'll see a Z and a Z. I guess that's standing for sleeping. So you're snoozing there, right? And if you click on this little question mark here, you'll see what it says. When you snooze a target, YNAB will treat the category as if it didn't have a target, which means that the category won't show as underfunded. But at the start of next month, your target will reactivate well rested and in very good mood. I didn't know targets could be in a good mood, but apparently they can. So, and so that's basically all you have to do. You want to snooze a target for the month? Just click on the snooze button and it'll snooze for that month and you don't have to worry about it. So, there was sometimes whenever I was like, well, I don't really want this target. So I wind up, taking this and I might, delete it for the month and everything. Then I'll restart it the next month. Well, this way I don't have to go through that. I can just hit snooze that target for that month if I don't want to put in for that month. Maybe something else was more important and I just wanted to snooze it. So it's a real cool feature. I'm glad they implemented that. And also, if you look here at the top, they've also included a nice little filter here for snooze. So if you just click on that, you can see all of your items that are snoozed for that month. So I hope you all enjoyed this episode. And like always, just don't forget to hit that like button right down below. And if you want to see more of these episodes in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week and I'll catch you next episode. Take care.